Hey guys, before the video starts, to keep the spread from COVID-19, people need to wash their hands and, of course, always wear your mask while you go outside and stay a social distance 6 feet apart away. Anyways, enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sonic Reacts. Today's reaction, we are going to be reacting to Summer School 1987 Chainsaw's Nightmare. Whoa, that's one creepy video. Anyways, without any further ado, let's get started. Here we go. What do we have here? Oh, looks like the kids started off their morning routine. Yeah, he looking fresh. Yep, he looking fresh. Alright, hold on. Aww. How nice. Quite nice. Eggs? What?
I don't know.
C-A-T?
I don't know what's wrong. Everything.
Uh.
I don't know anything.
He doesn't know? Man, he lost his memories. Oh, what a terrible dream. He must have a dream.
I don't know.
Oh, dear God. Ooh, that one's really bad. But anyway, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, like it, share it, and subscribe. And of course, post a comment down below what do you want me to react next. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the flash.